Hello everyone, my name is Jessie. I'm an artist and I live in Japan. Today I am looking at my old sketches and I'm going to make it into a cowboy cowgirl that's also a witch and baby chickens. To be honest, I don't remember when I originally sketched these, but when I saw them I thought that I could definitely do something new and something more innovative with them. So that's my main reason for looking back and showing these new ones to you now. And also because Inktober is coming soon. So yeah, I just wanted to draw cute witches and something to look forward to once Inktober does come, because I know it's going to be a very busy time for those who will participate. If you are going to participate in Inktober, congratulations, I hope you do well. And I wish you all the best. As for this character, I originally thought she was going to be a little bit sexy, but I changed my mind and I felt like she should be a bit softer in nature because the straight hair just looked better on her, at least the way that I drew it. And I also wanted to incorporate animals because recently I went to Odaiba and just petted a lot of baby chickens, so definitely a softer character for her was better. Then, because she has a more softer personality, I still wanted to give her a tattoo to give her that spunk kind of image, and I still wanted to use warmer colors like red, orange, and a little bit of cool colors like blue and purple just to add some contrast to it. So yeah, here's her line art. I really like the line art by itself, and then here she is colored. Again, I hope you liked this video and I will see you next time. Ciao.